Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin Cash, long forgotten coin, but apparently some of you haven't forgotten about it because you requested let's do it. So let's do it on the weekly chart, long term. What is happening with Bitcoin Cash? I'll give you the direction and the targets. Satisfied? Let's do it. First of all, you gotta disregard some things on this chart, like this wick, which is not organic but something artificial. Who cares? That said, I got a big news for you. Bitcoin Cash on the weekly chart is looking bullish, and I will show you exactly why that is and exactly where it's going. Are you prepared for all this? Yes, you are. You're a big boy. This is my band of 3 moving averages. Simplest as they can be. 13 yellow, 21 green, 34 blue. For any asset to move in the bullish direction, they gotta have that perfect alignment, yellow, green, blue. When the alignment is a blue, green, yellow, it's a bad sign, it's a bear market. But let's not waste any time. We are having yellow, green, blue. Excellent sign. First reason why Bitcoin Cash on the weekly chart is bullish and why you will see higher prices in the couple of weeks. You can see a few weeks ago we had a burst from this band, and I will show you a little later why this burst was significant and what is exactly happening right now. This band is our support, contrary to this area, but it was our resistance. This is 2021-2022. This area is 2023, kind of recovery stage. Now we are stepping into something far more interesting. Now, don't get me wrong, Bitcoin Cash is long forgotten coin, and you can see the volume in 2022 and you can see the volume right now. There is not much life, let's be honest, except of this pump that happened in summer of last year. There is not much interest in Bitcoin Cash, but it doesn't mean that it is dead, because it's not dead. And my first clue of its being alive is this band in a perfect order, serving us as a perfect support. Let's move forward. I will clear the head and show you the most significant stepping stone of all of this. Also, right now, you're gonna be giving the direction and the target where this coin is going. If we combine this high of summer and this low of exactly the summer, you can see that recovery is going and ongoing, and we are giving that target. First of all, let's discuss. I gave on my Fibonacci retracement tool, or in this case extension tool, only 2 levels. The most important one, 61.8, as the stepping stone of higher targets, and the target where we are traveling to in that next move. To give it that important target to the upside, we first got to discuss why this level that is serving us as a resistance all the way from the summer of last year. Yes, people, from the summer of last year. We weren't able to climb above it and sustain ourselves. You can see all of the wicks. Look at this area. This was around the Christmas time, when we were rejected many weeks. Now, this is where this week is coming to, and something significant. We broke the resistance, and now, past 2 weeks, we are retracing it in a support. I would say it like that. $260. The most important support that we can have now. It was a resistance many weeks, now a support. Now, if you disregard this high of 320 and something dollars, we are traveling to 161.8 extension. Now, as we got direction, you got the target. From today's level of 267, just above 260, our most important support line, we are traveling to 470. Yes, you heard it right. In the coming weeks, in my humble opinion, not a financial advice, but I think you will see 470 and Bitcoin Cash. Let me be perfectly honest, the whole crypto space is about to go to the upside, if I'm correct with my analysis. So there is your target, 470, which will only be obtainable if we can hold 260 as our support. So this is the most crucial part of our analysis. You will see 470 if BCH can hold 260. If not, then I'm afraid this whole analysis is going into the trash can. And this level, which was the great resistance in 2022 and 2023 could become our new level of support. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm just giving you the worst case scenario. $140 we could be touched. Of course, nothing mandatory, but if we can hold to 60, we could just have a big plunge into 140 and then continuing to the upside. If not, let me be moving into the forward, into the beginning of this video. 470 is about to come in the coming weeks. I'm not here to hype or to FUD. I'm here for the reality. I believe we are going to the higher grounds, but there is also a possibility that we do this, move in this parallel channel like we did here, just right about now. So much food for thoughts. Can we plunge into the lower level of 190 or something like that? Yes, we could. And see the exact replication of what we had here. As I said, if we can hold to 60, if we can break this upper band of this ongoing channel, you will see 470 in a couple of weeks. You can see how long did this burst lasted. Exactly 2 weeks. So could we be on something like that? Yes, we could. Because do not neglect something we spoke about at the beginning of this video, and that is the perfect alignment of our charts and the moving averages. Simplest but powerfulest. It's not a word, I just made it up, but I want you to get a full perspective. Moving averages are aligning just in time for the bull market that is about to come. Hope you are agree with me. Spare some bullets for those lower targets if they come. But if BCH, Bitcoin Cash, is strong enough to break those resistances, you will see $470 very, very soon. I got nothing more to say but to roar.